Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn about the manufacturing of a good product that is in demand in the products that we use regularly and about the home-based business plan that can be started at our home with little investment. Before going into the topic, if anyone has not subscribed to our channel so far, subscribe now. Going into details, tomato is the most important vegetable that we use regularly. The tomato price in the market varies from season to season, and the prices skyrocket every time. But we need this tomato for gravy every day. As an alternative to this, instant useful tomato powders are coming in the market. Those who cannot withstand market fluctuations in tomato prices are turning to tomato powder. This powder is especially used for daily cooking at home by chaat makers, fast food center people, catering service people, hotel people, and also by people who make beauty products. Tomato powder is also used in many cosmetic products. This product has good demand in foreign countries. So, there are plenty of opportunities for you to take up this tomato powder manufacturing and earn good income. You can start this business from home with very little investment. It can be a good self-employment opportunity for you. To start this production of this tomato powder, raw material tomatoes should be brought cheaply, converted into powder and sold throughout the year. Good quality tomatoes can be brought from farmers, in bulk from Rait Bazaar or online through website like indiamart.com. Also, it is enough to make a commercial mix for grinding dried tomatoes. Also, silver covers or small plastic boxes which are attractive should be taken for packing. Sealing machines is also required if buying silver covers. 20,000 rupees is enough to buy all these. Otherwise, you can start this tomato powder business in your home alone, and after the demand and sales increase, you can set it up as a small unit. Doing this will give you experience in this business. Also, your investment will not be wasted. When it comes to making tomato powder, making this powder is very easy. After getting the tomatoes from the market, wash the tomatoes thoroughly. Wipe it and cut it into thin pieces. Then put a thin cloth on it and dry it in the sun. It dries in 2 to 4 days depending on the intensity of the sun. Let them dry completely. Then put the dried tomato pieces in a commercial mixer and make a powder. Next, sprinkle tomato powder and pack in boxes or covers printed with your brand name. In quantities like 100 grams, 200 grams, half kg. To be sold in the wholesale market means that 5 kg and 10 kg should be packed and sold. If this tomato powder is packed in silver covers, aluminium foil covers, it will remain intact for 6 months. Now let's know about income and expenses in this business. What you need to start this business is good quality tomatoes, since the price of vegetables vary in the market. Let's take the price of tomatoes as 10 rupees per kg during the season. About half kg of powder is prepared for 1 kg of tomatoes. To make 1 kg of powder, it costs rupees 25 including packing and marketing expenses. Tomato powder is being sold at rupees 140 to 160 rupees in the present market. So, you will have a profit of 100 rupees on the kg of tomato powder that you sell in the wholesale. In starting, if you make and sell 20 kgs of powder per day, you will have an income of 2,000 per day and 60,000 rupees per month. Now let's talk about marketing. Tomato powder has a good demand in the market. This powder should be marketed to grocery stores like supermarkets, fast food center, catering, hotels, restaurants, canteens, mess, schools, colleges, office canteens also purchases regularly. You can register your company on Amazon and Flipkart and sell there too. If you create your page on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, orders will also come from there. If you list your company on indiamart.com, exportindia.com, tradeindia.com, you will get orders from there too. And when it comes to take the government license that you need to take, FSSAI license must be taken for this business. To register your company in Amazon and Flipkart, you need to take trade license. GST registration is required. Before starting this tomato powder business, we request you to study more about the prices and other things in the market and move forward. The income, expenses, investment, prices method in this video may changing depending on this region and changing conditions. That's it friends. Details about tomato powder business. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this business. Subscribe our channel for more such videos.